This is our third demonstration for chemistry in Miss Willie's class. Today we're going to do part 1 of how to make rock candy. I'm Connor Willie, and this is
Mrs. Willie.
And let's go ahead and get into it because this is going to take a long time, but I'm not going to tell you how much yet. So let's get into our materials. So first we have our 6 skewers. You have to soak them in water so they can get the sugar stuck to them. And then we also need water, sugar. We need our clips. Well, 5, 6, whatever. 6, yes. And we need 6 straws. And we need also 6 jars. We're gonna do blue and green because I'm gonna eat the green one, you're gonna eat the blue one. We need our whisk to mix it. We also need our Sharpie black. 6 pieces of tape to show what they have in them and how much. And then we also have our measuring cup that we're gonna put water in. And we have our other measuring cup that we're going to put solid, which is sugar.
So we're going to start with our one on the stove over here. So we have 2 cups of water boiling on the stove, and we are going to put in 4 cups of sugar. So go ahead, and that is a 1/2 cup, sir. Scoop. So we need 8 scoops.
And then put it into the thing.
Put it into the water. Sounds good.
Good.
Yep.
Into there?
Yep. 1, 8 scoops. Yeah.
Four. Five, 6, 7, and 8. That was our last one.
Okay, and then you're going to come back over here, and for your first one, you need to do 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar
In here?
into your first
Oh, so I put water first.
2 cups of water.
2 cups, guys. Otherwise, 16 ounces. Another way you could say it. That's a little bit over, but that's fine. Or do you need a cup?
Nope, that's fine.
And then we need 1 cup of sugar.
Which that's a 1/2 cup.
This is a half, so we need 2 of these.
Very good.
So we need 2 on there. And another one here. There we go.
And then you'll go ahead and stir that.
With the whisker. The whisk, not the whisker. Well, next.
Okay, sorry. Keep stirring. Get that dissolved. If you would like. Here we go. I will get started on the next one. This one's gonna go here. There we go.
It's a giant one.
This one will have 2 cups. Keep stirring. Keep stirring your sugar.
2 cups.
And then 2 cups of sugar.
Oh, so that means 4 of those.
show you from the stove, we have a completely dissolved solution of sugar and water. The sugar completely went into the solution. We're going to pour this into 2 of the jars.
Oh, is this good?
Is it dissolved? Can you still see sugar at the bottom?
Do you think I can? No.
I can still see sugar at the bottom.
I feel bottom.
How about you go ahead and add some food coloring?
So, which one do you want me to do first?
Whichever one you
All right,
want.
let's do yours. So we need to open this, and how much do we need?
Just
a
take
dot
a little bit from your...
on this.
Mm-hmm.
So do that, and then drop it in there.
No, in here.
Oh. All right, so we put that right there, right?
Stir with it until you see blue. There you go.
Do you think I'm done stirring?
Yeah, looks good.
And then for the other one, we have to do
Green.
green. So we need to put this right here. Get this. Very long process. Ooh. I'm gonna have to wash my hands with all this coloring on it. Okay. So now we're gonna put some of this stuff into here. Drop until we see green. Okay. Like that's good. Put it back in here. And what's next, Mom?
I think this one's gonna get nice. It's getting to the point where it's dissolved. Why don't you go wash your hands? Yeah. And then we'll pour this into the other jars, and then you can put the food coloring in those as well. So as you can see, that's pretty clear. There's no sugar sitting in the bottom of those either. So if you want to go ahead and put food coloring into those first 2.
All right, so I'll put 1 green and 1 blue. Get some of this, put it on the same side.
And then we will go ahead and put this one in here. And if you can see this one, it's still pretty cloudy, so there is still solid in that solution.
And then I have to get some of this green and put it in there and stir it until we see green. Right, Mom? Is that good?
That's good. And then while you're doing that, I will label.
How much stuff and how.
So go ahead and add blue and green to those 2 as well.
Gonna put our blue over here.
And like we do at school, we're gonna go ahead and clean up as we go.
So
Nothing like
That's not what we do in my class. We clean up at the end.
Oh, well, at our school, we clean up as we go.
Gillette Elementary is different than Wassa. It's elementary.
Okay.
Wassa over here is high school.
So,
Different.
how much sugar did we put in this one?
So we put 8 cups.
No.
Wait,
This was 2 cups of water, 2 cups.
sugar. Of sugar.
Or no, 1 cup. Wasn't it
1 cup? I don't remember. I don't remember.
This is why we write 2 cups water, 2 cups sugar.
Would I put that?
Or is
there?
that this one?
I think that one looks like less sugar.
That one's more sugar. So this
It
is 2 cups water, 2 cups
That one's
sugar.
the 8 cup, right?
Yes. This
8
one
cups
is
sugar.
2 cup water, 1 cup sugar. So if you want to put that on there.
On that one, yeah.
Mm-hmm. This one is 2 cups water, 4 cups sugar. That's this one.
You know me. You have better nails than me.
2 cups water.
Ooh, that's the spicy one.
Cup sugar.
Feisty one.
So
He's
that'll
getting
go on-
mad at me.
That'll go on the green one.
2 cups
This one
water.
is
So that
2
is-
cups water. 2
Ooh, this one isn't
cups
feisty. This one's nice.
sugar.
No, it's the bad one. So that's 2 cups too. So that's that one.
And then this is 2 cups water.
2 cups sugar. This is how we cook it.
Sugar. And then I'm gonna put
Put it in the butter.
heat on that as well because we heated that last one up.
Yeah,
and
it's
did
the
not
feisty one.
heat the
One
other
that don't
ones.
exactly like me.
Then
Oh.
the final step for our rock candy is that
For
we're
part 1.
for part 1, yes,
Donut.
for part 1,
Donut.
is we are going to put our seed crystals, which
Skewers.
we made by soaking the skewers in water for at least 5 minutes and then soaking them in sugar.
So
that
we're gonna
if you
put
can see that has sugar on the skewer right there.
yeah. So we're gonna put one of these in each of these, but that one doesn't have any sugar on it.
So we're going to place
This one
this one in
with a straw.
with a straw and a
Clip.
clip.
That good?
I don't know how. I wish I had a clothes hanger, but I don't. Maybe if I do that, keep it a little bit more.
Also, it's kind of like how you make an avocado.
There we go.
Good.
But we're going to do that with the rest of these. And so next week when we come back, you will see, we will look and see what has grown and what has not grown. The biggest key is you have to wait until this one has cooled down to room temperature. You can't put your seed crystals in if this is still hot. And then our second ones in the back, we are going to do skewers that have no seed crystals on them. So the green one experiment will have no seed crystals. The blue experiment will have seed crystals. So we'll see you next week for our next demonstration.
Bye-bye. Hey, that's not fair.